When I was a kid, my father wanted me to become a cantor. As a matter of fact, he took me from Wilmington, Delaware, where we lived, in 3 rooms with no heat, no hot water, no electric, no gas, no furniture, no wallpaper. There weren't any walls to stick it to, no food, and then came the Depression. He took me all the way from Wilmington, Delaware, up to New York, to Rivington Street, where the famous blind cantor lived, the famous Blinde Chazen, to audition. And after I'd sung for the blind cantor for about 3 hours, my father asked him, "Nu, wie gefällt doch mein Sohn Stimme? How do you like the kid's voice?" The blind cantor says, "Ich will sagen dem Emmis, I'll tell you the truth. Ich bin seit 30 Jahren blind, der merksten Mal auf mein Leben. Ich hoffe, ich wollte gewinnen, TB." A great many synagogues in this country are advertising for cantors. And I would like to sing a Chazandl of Shabbos the way I think it would be written had it been written today instead of many, many years ago in Europe. This is my version of a Chazandl of Shabbos. Gekommen zuvor nach Chazandl in a klein Städtel in the United States, so daven in a Shabbos. Heute so daven in a Shabbos. Seine gekommen im Herrn die 3 schönste Ballerparty von dem Städtel. Schönste Ballerparty von dem Städtele. Einer a Lawyer von Men's Club, der zweite a CPA von Congregation. CPA, Cleaning, Pressing and Alte Schmattes Dealer. Und die dritte a Ballerboste von Sisterhood. Rav Zechabe, der Lawyer vom Men's Club. Rav Zechabe, the lawyer for Men's Club, who knew more about nightclubs and chorus girls than he knew about canners. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, could that baby Davin, boy, could that baby Davin. So don't be a fool, let's all go to shul. We'll raise his salary by raffling off a Cadillac or running a baseball pool. Oy, hat gedaven. Oy, 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 hat gedaven. Rav Zechabe, der CPA von Congregation. Rav Zechabe, the CPA from Congregation, who knew more about jockeys and bookies and racehorses than he knew about canners. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, I hope he knows post time on Mincha Ma'ariv. I hope he knows what time the daily double window closes. So he's got a good voice, we'll make him our choice. He'll be a good investment, we'll raise the assessment. Oh, Hotet Gedaven. Oy, 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 oy. Hotet Gedaven. alle Boste von Sisterhood. Rubbed up in the alle Boste von Sisterhood who didn't care whether he could sing or not. She was only happy he was single because she had an unmarried sister an unversehenisch. A Klippe, was will a Chippe? Sie hicket a bissel and she talks with a whistle. She's a fette Grobbe, guckt durchs wie an alte Bobbe. Ahoy, 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 hat gedabe. Hoy, das is a Cantor, a regular enchanter. He's got alle malice, looks good in a tallis. He sings Ailey, Ailey, and also Bill Bailey. Oh,